you did one on psychedelics years ago.
Right.
And, a lot of CEOs of big media companies and education platforms would have thought, let's just pass on that because we'll alienate people.
Right. Well, they say that publicly, but not privately.
Right. Yeah.
One of my favorite American CEOs, John Butcher, he built Precious Moments, which is one of the biggest art licensing brands in the world. He said, when I was interviewing him, any Silicon Valley CEO who is not using plant medicine today is at a competitive disadvantage. And I can tell you I agree. So let me make a confession right here. I use plant medicine in safe ways to design UX, to come up with new business ideas, even to write chapters of my book. I start every year with a tiny dosage of a certain plant medicine to go deep into my soul, communicate with God, and I literally hear her talking to me, and I write down what I meant to focus on for that year. For example, last year in 2022, I was on a tiny dose of plant medicine. I was with a shaman.
What are we talking here? Are we talking psilocybin?
Okay, psilocybin.
Okay.
Can I share that on the show?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so
like 1 gram, 2 gram, something.
So I like to do what is called a mini dose.
Okay.
Which is between 0.5 to 1 gram.
Okay.
Right. So it's a very light dose. I take it in the form of chocolate. You can literally drive a car if you want it, but you must do it with the right sitter. Okay. So I like to do it with a trained shaman. So I was with a trained shaman, and I wanted to have a conversation with the universe to ask the universe a simple question: how do I grow the revenues of my company and make more money? And I know it sounds like a bad question, and it was, because the universe came back to me and the universe said, and I quote, "Nope, not going to give you that." And I'm like, "Why?" And the universe goes, "Nope, your mission this year in 2022 will be to grow your compassion." So I'm like, "Okay, tell me how to grow my compassion." And over the next 2 hours, I get 7 commands from the universe. Now, these commands were super specific. One command was, you must speak to 300 customers and understand exactly what they like and don't like about your product. So I started communicating with customers on Instagram. Another command was a little bit more challenging. You must sign the Founder's Pledge. Now, let me tell you what the Founder's Pledge is. It is a pledge that founders sign, and it's an actual pledge that when your company goes public, you're going to commit to taking a certain amount of your money, what you gain, and giving it to charity. And so I signed the Founder's Pledge in 2022, right? And the commands were super, super, super specific. I had to work with my children, love my children, make a tiny modification to how I am with my kids. All good things. But I was shocked at how clear the commands were and how specific they were. It was as if a real human being was whispering in my ear. Now, will everyone experience this? We can't say. Could it be a figment of my own imagination? Maybe. But I can tell you, it was a lot clearer than that bullshit idea of simply make more money.
Yeah, that's powerful. When I had my ayahuasca ceremony that's chronicled in that movie, Reconnect, I mean, for me, when I have an ayahuasca ceremony, a strong one, I literally got 10 commandments from her. I mean, it was like, this is what you need to do. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And toward the end of my ceremony, as I'm phasing out, she's like, let's review those one more time. Number 1, I went and wrote them down.
That's crazy, right?
And I hadn't actually touched the medicine. I started this show by doing ayahuasca ceremonies. It was like episode 8. We went a before and after show. Back when everyone said you can't put this on YouTube. This is like 2011. And so we had a history, but I hadn't been touched the medicine in 6-7 years.
Right.
I'd done some psilocybin here and there. But the ayahuasca really, Vishen, gave me these clear messages. And then I had to come back and execute, which was hard. And they say, you don't get what you want, you get what you need. Right. So you went in and said, how can I increase my revenues? Which is actually an okay question to ask. You can ask any question you want. And then you'll get what you need sometimes.
You get what you need,
yeah.
Right. And what you need might be painful. Now, I want to give a caveat here, okay? So there's a book called Altered Traits by Dr. Daniel Goleman, and he says that there are 4 ways to access altered states of mind. So I don't want anyone thinking that we're only advocating for plant medicine. Plant medicine is actually the riskiest, the most expensive, the pukiest, right? But there are 3 additional ways we can do it, and the 3 additional ways are a lot cheaper. So one is breath work. So a study just came out showing that breath work is even more effective than meditation.
Really?
The breathwork modality I do is Soma breathwork. I have no affiliation with Soma, but Soma breathwork by Niraj Naik. He's based in Ibiza. That's really cool because they infuse incredible music with it. The second one is meditation. Meditation, Dr. Daniel Goleman says, is the best. And that's essentially what we're doing with the Silva method, with the 6-phase meditation. And then the fourth one is neurotraining. Where I do my neurotraining is 40 Years of Zen by Dave Asprey. Again, no affiliation, but that's where I do it. But neurotraining is really expensive. So I did forgiveness protocol training at 40 Years of Zen. It cost around 15 grand. It takes 5 days, and it is intense work. It's expensive, but what happens is that with that level of biofeedback, with that really expensive machinery, they rewire your brain to develop the brainwave patterns of monks who have spent 20 to 40 years in meditation. So there are 4 different methods. And, there are cheaper ways of neurotraining, but I just want people to know that you don't necessarily have to do plant medicine. And if you do decide to do that, please make sure that you're doing it with a well-trained shaman. Because I did do it once with a friend who had just gotten trained. And it was stupid of me because I had an incredible experience, but 1 week later, I sank into the worst depression of my life. And I became nearly suicidal. And I couldn't understand what the heck happened to my mind. The mistake I made was that I was doing it with a friend who had only just been trained. And I shouldn't have done that. Always choose the right shaman. So when that happened, I had to go to a hypnotherapist who got me out of that, right? Instantly. But don't risk it. Always have the right shaman, the right person with you. There's a protocol in plant medicine that's used for therapy called the DISSI protocol, D-I-S-S-I. D stands for dosage. You must know the dosage. I stands for intention. What are you looking to get out of it? S is setting. What's the space you're doing it in? The other S is sitter. Who are you doing it with? Setting and sitter, you cannot overlook. You must know someone who knows how to create a protective space and who knows what the heck they're doing. And then the final I in DISSI is integration. This is when you come out and you integrate. So it's a really powerful, like MAPS therapy, which is MDMA-assisted psychotherapy, psilocybin used as an assisted therapy, are all really powerful. But you got to be really, really, really careful, and I cannot stress this enough.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.